Hello and welcome to Start of Such classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019 paper. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IIT to pursue their master degree courses. In a biotechnology paper, there are different type of questions based on physics, chemistry, math and biology, and we Start of Such classes cover all these topics. This is the question number 60 from section 3. That means it is a numerical answer type question. And in this type of questions, we need to find a numerical value as an answer. So let's see what is in this question. An infinitely long solenoid of radius r and number of turns per unit length in carries a steady current I. The ratio of the magnetic field at a point on the axis of the solenoid to a point r by 2 from the axis is what? Given that r is the radius of solenoid, radius of solenoid, n is the number of turns, I is the current. Therefore, as we know that by the formula of magnetic field, B will be mu naught n I, and it is independent of radius of solenoid. It is independent of radius of solenoid. Hence, the ratio is equals to 1. So here our required answer is 1. Okay, so we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.